Welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Raquel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I achieve these boho box braids. To begin, I'm going to be putting my hair into sections, and I'm doing so by using the rubber band method. Today I'm using the expression braid. I'm also using the realistic braid. I'm using 2 packs each along with a pack of curly hair that I'm going to use to give the boho effect. Alright, so let's jump in. So I'm starting off by putting the hair into sections. This is gonna make things so much easier for you, so that when you're ready to braid the hair, all you have to do is pick up the hair and start braiding. So just go ahead, put the hair into small sections, ensure that they're at arm reach, so that when you're ready, you can just divert it. I will be using the Shine and Jam to give me a sleek look, and I'm going to be adding that to the ends of my hair so that I can get a straight look, so that the hair will blend perfectly with the braid. To begin, I'm going to split the braid in here into 3 sections, and I'm going to be adding my hair to the middle section, and I'm going to start the braid with my hair to ensure that I have a secure hold. I'm going to be braiding the hair to about 1/4 of the braid, and then I'm going to add some hair, and then I'm going to braid some more, and then about the middle of the braid I'm going to add the ombre hair. Take the braid to about 3/4 of the hair, and then I'm going to add my curly piece. Just ensure that you're not adding too much hair, so that the braid itself won't be too bulky. When adding the curly pieces, you want to ensure that the curly piece is secure within your braid. After you've added the curly pieces to your braid, you're gonna braid the hair about 5 times to secure the curly piece. Then you're just gonna continue towards the end of the braid, and at the end of the braid, you're going to twist it to secure the braid from unraveling, and then you're just gonna trim it as you go along. After I'm through, I'm going to curl the ends of the hair, secure the curly pieces at the top. Then I'm going to add it to hot water to give me that curl. Now I'm going to add my mousse and add my finishing touches. This is it, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know how, comment down below, let me know how you think I did. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.